all kings and all queens. You don't know the things already. For real, man, start for real. You see, when me know to myself deep down in my heart. You see, every time when, anytime when me have something important to do, to deal with some people who were more high in a certain fields. A fields where me not really overstand the full 100. When me need to do, because when me not need to, when me not overs it, me know to myself say, me need to go to somebody with more advanced in a them kind of fields there. But you see, me as a person, you see anytime me know to myself say, I have to go to a person like that. When me make sure me do, you know, me try to overstand and look about it first before me go to that person to advice from them or help from them. You overs me. Me not venture into nothing when me not know. Me have to even have a small overstanding at it first before me venture in it. No matter what it is, no matter how simple it is, no matter how advanced it is, I still want to have an understanding about it before I venture in it. By myself or with somebody else. You overstand? Big and serious. For real, myself, for real. I see him so. Some people who me know, big people them still who set certain way where comfortable, where have even them head pan them body certain way where to tell the truth, me respect them. Because a man can give me advice where him not set certain way him own self. Not to take advice on a person who venture into certain things already and achieve certain things already. And depend them way in a comfortable state, if you know what I mean, before me can sit down and listen to you. I don't want to take advice on a person who will lose. I want to take advice on a person who will win. You overs that. For real, man, start for real. I'm sit down with the item and I reason with the item and the real item I reason with me and I show me say, yo, youth. And that's how you're supposed to think, you know. Just go to them, the people that still have them people mass out the thing when them need to mass out for you. You don't have to worry yourself. I say, no, I don't do that. Because in my own self, I may eventually prove it. Or me go to a person do certain things. Because I always say this is myself, you know. Me sure so the person have my well-being at hand. Me sure so that person have my interest to the best. I don't we or me, you don't want to have my own interest. No, him have to have him own back covered first before him can secure my back. He want to make sure the film back covered first. You overs me. And at that, I step out and I explain to the people and I say, I not do nothing on this face of this earth but me don't have even a small understanding about it first before me do no farmer furlonging or treading with no farmer person or no farmer body in a demo field or in a demo life. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing nothing with you if I don't understand what you're all about first. You overs that? For real, man, star, for real. For real, man, star. For real. And that may explain to the people when I tell me, say, boy, no worry yourself. And I say, no, man, I still want to have an understanding about it. Alright, I'm going to have an understanding about some people who have higher education than me. I'm going to have an understanding for a person who licensed in a certain field for 1,000 years. Because sometimes when people tell us, yo, for them foundation I come from even them grandfather. So that's where for them thing I come from. So I tell myself, so, you know, I'm going to overstand it. Because I never did before, because everybody will start from somewhere, you know. I'm like journey. My journey. Me like journey. I overstand where I'm going, but me know to myself, so any journey me make right about now, somebody already made that journey already. Somebody did make that journey already. So I'm going to go on YouTube. Simple. I'm going to go on YouTube. Eventually I make YouTube teach me. A YouTube me using now, class of 93, enough of the time now. A YouTube me selling enough big boy office, you know, with them, you know. I make them talk, I make them show me certain things, you know. A YouTube being used to listen what some people have to say. Because when them want get them subscribing and them this and them that on them page, you know what them do? They make sure so them talk the truth and guide people in the right path where they need to guide them. And in this I'm going to sit down with them and meditate with them and listen to them. Enough times some people say I listen and I have my Bluetooth on my ears and I listen to certain things. I'm well in certain things I listen. Then would I feel like I'm music when I listen to them. But I'm not listening to music. I listen to people, some people that talk. Just talk to me. I show me certain things. Some big boy in some office. Some elder man. Some man all from way down in a boy. Sit down and all talk to me. I mean I listen to them. I mean I say, I mean I start overstand the things them what them are trying to say. I mean I have a time for listen to music. If you want to listen to music, you listen to music, yes. If me even want to bust all a tune to me and sing all a tune. While me I listen to all some big boy talk and I fill up with meditation. Full it up. So any farmer, anything when me supposed to advance, you know, and go in. I go to the bigger heads them, experience it already, and make them teach me. I just go now look at hint and make it bigger and serious. Real man style. And since week, we prove that. They say boy, not even since week. From about some 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago, we eventually find out, say, what me I do? We never go wrong. Big and serious. Because me step in some people office. And when them talk to me and tell me some things, a bullshit them tell me. I mean I look into myself and I say, you know what? I now continue with that journey with you. MP3. Big and serious now, because my sister boy, you are going on a pathway when we don't want to go on a pathway. So you know what? Just end the conversation right here. I'm not going to continue with your farm aligns with you, you know, because I don't consider it of best interest to me. Thank you. I have to be polite to you. You see what I'm saying? And even when them even do falter, I'm really to them falter, I'm a woman divert on them and cut cross on street and cut cross on bend and go in a evil, the main city, the middle of the world, like that. Look at myself, you know. Because when you drop in all places like all man and in the middle of the world, like, you know. You see what I say? I chat around some murderer and some thief, white collar criminals. You see what I say? Me know to myself, say. Me just look on them in a higher class than the Pain Avenue lifestyle ghetto youth people them who me know and know them more. But them have on them in them office and them have on them suit. But now still thief. Now still killer and murderer. The fool no thing is on a different level. I'm a sit down around them and I listen to them and I talk. And them a talk and me a talk and them a talk. You see what I say? As much as I for them mindset and education higher than mine. Not even 100% higher, but because if it is higher than mine certain way, more no caught up on what I do. And I just look at it and I say to myself, say, you know, say all we are going, them people still a divert from my well-being and my cause and the things that when me want to deal with. Them people is a demon in a way. Big and serious. I'm just divert again. Wall Street. Eh? Wall Street. On there on Wall Street. I'm gonna see someone I try to go around the ghetto youth from Pain Avenue. Overs me. Overs me. Because I'm not go around the corner with them. I'm showing them the 150 at this situation. But I'm just kind of close off some look loose ends. For real, man, sir, for real. But we go back up on all the big bull. The big bull and dopey conqueror. We go back up on it. I'm look on it and me and say, you say you bull, you nah buck me down, you know. You say you look big and mighty, but you nah real up on me. Me a team you big and serious. I'm just divert. And sister boy, I wanna do again. It's not for my well-being. Big and serious. Because anything you are going on, I'm gonna say it already and I say it again. Anything you are going on, I'm gonna have a understanding or overstanding, if you put it straight, about it first. I'm not doing it. I talk to all kind of people and all kind of educated people, teachers and lawyers and doctors and philosophers and pastors and rastaman and inspired people already. Put me on the path where I'm supposed to put them supposed to put me on already. I'm gonna stand firm in the Gideon. YouTube worse if you have the Almighty with you. That's a plus. Too much plus. Yeah, man. But you see, at the end of the day, me say the full 100, you know. I'm overstand the full 100, you know, right about now. Because we venture into the right people arms and the right people know how to set them thing and set it properly. I'm a overstand with them though. I'm just know to myself say, never work with you, you know. Never work with you. Because you know why? Because you want to star up my show. Big and serious. The big of myself to the class of 92. I just clear because I show now like a small thing I want to go on. You know, this bitchy America, yeah. This big war in America. We want to use people and take off a fool. We have a wise man Gideon there. I mean, I say it or two no again, you know, one more time. Never you venture into nothing, or never you make a trade with nobody and you don't have an understanding about it first, about what they're about their intention. Not because you never advance from day one, but get an understanding or overstanding about it first. Make someone else teach you about that people or them kind of people first before you do nothing with them. For real.